Welcome students to day 2 of informative writing. Today you're going to be organize your learning by finding the main idea and details. Yesterday you became an expert, so now we're going to use those facts and our expertise to help us in our writing. So the main idea is basically what is the text mostly about? And I'll give you a hint. You can look at the prompt to find it. So this is the prompt that we're going to use for Insects in the Winter. It says, you just read an article entitled Insects in the Winter. Write a 1 to 3 paragraph essay explaining how insects survive in the winter. Use details from the text to support your writing. So it says right here, insects survive in the winter. That is what our article or our passage was all about. Insects surviving in the winter, and it gave us the different ways. And yesterday, you found some facts or those details that we're going to be asked to use. So we have to use those facts that correlate or that relate to our main idea. So we're going to look at the text to find those details that help support our main idea. And then you can even look at the facts that we used from writing day 1 that you put into your own words. So let's add the main idea and find the details. Always, I'm going to have the day before opened, especially because I'm going to be using this passage. So I have writing day 1 open in one tab, and then I have writing day 2, the one we're working on today, in another tab. So writing day 2 looks like this. You have your prompt that's been given to you, and then you have this graphic organizer. Main idea up top, and then 3 different details at the bottom. And if you recall, we said that details are just facts that help our main idea out. So we're going to take our main idea from the prompt. Recall, this is a prompt. You just read an article entitled Insects in the Winter. Write a 1 to 3 paragraph essay explaining how insects survive in the winter. Use details from the text to support your writing. So we're going to be talking about how insects survive, but this article gave us different ways that insects survive, not just one. So I'm going to say something like this, and you can borrow it for your writing if it applies. So insects use different ways to survive a cold winter. I just added that cold there, obviously it gets cold in the winter. So that's my main idea. So now I'm going to use details from the text to help go along with this main idea, or my facts. So going back to writing day 1, I'm going to look at some of my facts, and I see my facts are ants dig deep into the ground to stay warm. That is a perfect detail. It explains how ants stay warm during the winter. So I'm going to copy and paste that. 2-finger click. Oops, maybe if mine wants to work. Highlight it, 2-finger click, copy, and I'm going to use that for one of my details because it goes along with it. Remember, not all of your facts are going to help support that main idea. So read through your facts that you put into your own words and see if they help. I'm not going to do the rest for you, but you can go back to the text and look at your facts that you have, see if they help you out, or go back and read the passage again to find different ways that, in this case, that bugs use or stay warm during the winter to help you in your writing. So you would need at least 2 other facts or details to help you out. Okay, good luck.